Good morning, dear children. Come on the page number 14. Today we are going to learn about the sum of the short forms or the contractions of verbs. Let's see. Some examples are given. Can plus not. The word forms can't. Here, can is one word and not is another word. We can combine these. Combine means what? We can join these words and make one word into one. And to join this word, we can use apostrophe. This is an apostrophe sign. This is apostrophe. So the word forms can't. This is called as contractions. In another word, short form of the word. Can plus not. This word, two words can be joined and can form one word, that is can't. How to pronounce it? Can't. Here you can observe the repetition of N is omitted and O is omitted. Okay. The next word, she plus is. She is a pronoun, is a verb. Here, these are the two words. These two words can be combined and make one word, she's. Okay. I plus have. I is a pronoun, have is a verb. And we can join these two words or combine these two words to form short form. The short form of this is I have. How to pronounce I have? I have it actually. HA, these two letters are dropped. They plus are, they are. So A is dropped here. When do we use such type of contractions or the short forms of the verbs or the words? We use such a short forms when we speak. In conversations, generally these words are used. Once again read. Can plus not, can't. She plus is, she's. I plus have, I have. They plus are, they are. Question number 1. Write short forms of the words given below. Do plus not, don't. He plus is, he's. We plus are, we are. I plus am, I'm. You plus are, you are. She plus will, she'll. Now below this contracted form, now we are going to learn about some of the expressions. Let's read. Nodi's bell was as round as pot. This sentence, you learn this lesson, Nodi, the fat cat. Below that, in that lesson, we learn this sentence, Nodi bell was as round as a pot. This sentence, in this sentence, Nodi's belly means stomach. Nodi's belly was as round as pot. This belly is compared with the pot. Compare means tulna karna. And always there is a comparison between two things. So Nodi's stomach is compared with the pot. Nodi's stomach look like a pot. How it's look? Round as pot. The belly is compared to a pot. Both are round. Belly is round and pot is also round. So round is an adjective. It is an adjective. Let's see some more expressions of same kind of adjective. As black as coal, as cold as ice, as white as snow, etc. Draw lines to match the adjective in column A with the nouns in column B. Then fill in the blanks. One is done for you. Here, let's read first of all the words given in a column. Hungry, wise, strong, proud, busy. These all are adjective. What are these? Adjective. In B column, peacock, horse, bee, bear, owl. These all are a noun. Okay. We have to match this correct adjective with the noun. Okay. Hungry, bear. One is done for you. How to say? As hungry as a bear. Wise. Who is wise? Wise owl. So how to write? As wise as an owl. Here write owl word. Strong. Who is strong? Horse. So how to write? As strong as horse. The next. Proud. Peacock. As proud as peacock. Busy. As busy as bee.